Hi, I got a new Lyre Harp today, and I am going to unbox it for you. It's a 16 string, and I'm going to go ahead and get started opening the package. Let's see how pretty she is. Of course, it comes with all the stuff, stickers, the instruction booklet, extra strings. It has the picks and the tuning wrench, and then it has the gig bag with it, and it has a front zipper pocket so you can put all of your stuff in there. I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then we'll open up the bag and see what we got. Okay, so this is what I bought. Isn't she pretty? It's a Cega, and the wood is really pretty. It is gorgeous. And this is what the back looks like. Oh, isn't that wood pretty? You can see where they attach the wood. They say it's all one piece, but looking at this, I don't think it is. And let's see how much she needs tuned. Okay, I'm gonna go and I am going to inspect her a little bit more to make sure she's good. And I'm gonna tune it, and I will be right back and I'll let you know how she sounds. She's tuned up, and I'm gonna play a song that I composed, and you can go on my YouTube channel and you can find this song with the tabs if you'd like. It's about my haunted mansion. It's built in 1865, so here it goes. Sounds pretty. My fingernails hit the other strings, and I have to get used to this because I'm used to playing the low notes on the other side. So I'm actually having to play my song backwards. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to put the link to this down below, and I do get a percentage of the sale from Amazon. So I use that percentage of my sales to go towards buying ukuleles, and I provide free ukulele lessons for the children out here in Appalachia. So thanks so much for watching, and bye.